Hello everybody, here are two IKEA Edison style LED light bulbs. These are 4.5-inch diameter globular bulbs which will give this the alphanumeric code G36. Now as you can see, they're identical to each other except for the bases. One is silver, the other is copper. But these are just plastic bulbs with silver and copper painted bases. So as you can see in here is the spiral shaped LED coil that goes in a spiral loop effect. These consume only 2 watts but produce 20 lumens of light. So with 2 bulbs it would be 4 watts producing 40 lumens of light. And it has a deep amber color similar to a very small sodium light. So with that being said, here we go with the test run. So here's the rounded coil loop effect. LEDs are actually within the base and they go through these optical light tubes. Here's a side view. And a top view. So this is the one with the copper base. Now let's look at the one with the silver base. Side view, bottom view, front view, and top view. It definitely has that entry-level design to it, but it has a nice attractive Edison effect. So there you have it, a pair of 2-watt G36 IKEA coiled Edison style LED light bulbs, and thank you very much.